Hello, welcome to Tech Easy, and today we'll see an interesting tutorial that you may have observed in most of the social media accounts. Now, these pictures, the 3D Illustrator pictures, are trending for few as the profile pictures. If you go through Instagram profile pictures or Facebook profile pictures, many are keeping pictures like this. How they are getting these pictures? They are actually creating it on Bing or the Microsoft AI tool. So I'll show you in this tutorial that how quickly and easily you can also create one. So you need to download Bing app, which is just nothing but a search engine. If you already have, then no issues. Just search in the Play Store like Bing, which is already downloaded. So I'll just click on open. So if you haven't downloaded it, you can give it a try and download it. Once you download, you can click on this app section at the bottom, and here you will find AI image creation tool. See here, image creator, you need to tap on this, and one simple thing you need to do it here. For you need to give the prompt here, and it will be option something like join and create. You need to create a Microsoft account for to create AI images on Bing. If you don't know how to create a Microsoft account, I already did a video on that. You can check the description for that video. And here you can give a prompt like illustrate person with excellent facial features who is sitting on social media icon like Instagram and Facebook, and he should be no, and she should be a girl. See, the prompt is your choice. However you exactly give the prompt, AI will closely try to create an AI image, artificial intelligence image, with the given prompt. So I given the prompt somewhat to create. See here, see there are four pictures here. Whichever you want, you can tap on that. You will get a single large image, and you need to click on these three dots and click on download. Then you can use this a picture. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like it, please do share it to others, your friends and relatives, and give it a like for this video. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.